Living in Redmond means enjoying the best of the Pacific Northwest, lush greenery, crisp air, and a vibrant community. But homeowners here also know the challenges of the local climate. With cool, damp winters and mild yet sunny summers, keeping your home comfortable while controlling energy costs can be a balancing act. One smart way to tackle both style and efficiency is by installing bow windows. These elegant, curved windows not only enhance your home's beauty but also deliver significant energy efficiency benefits tailored to Redmond's unique weather conditions. Maximizing natural light without excess heat. Bow windows are made of 4 or more panels set at gentle angles, creating a graceful curve that captures light from multiple directions. This design brightens interior spaces, making your home feel warm and inviting even during Redmond's often gray and overcast days. But more light doesn't mean more heat. Modern bow windows are equipped with low E, low emissivity, glass coatings that filter out harmful UV rays and reflect infrared heat. That means you can enjoy a sun-filled living room or kitchen without worrying about uncomfortable temperature spikes or faded furniture. Enhanced insulation for Redmond winters. Cold, damp winters in Redmond make insulation a top priority. Older windows often leak heat, forcing your furnace to work overtime and driving up energy bills. Bow windows built with double or triple pane glass and insulated frames offer superior thermal performance. The sealed air, or argon gas, layers between panes act as a barrier against cold air infiltration. This extra insulation helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing drafts and making your home feel cozier while lowering heating costs. Improved ventilation for seasonal comfort. Another energy efficiency advantage of bow windows is their versatility. Because they typically combine fixed panes with operable casement or double-hung windows, you can easily adjust ventilation. During Redmond's mild summers, you can open sections of your bow window to invite fresh breezes inside. This natural airflow reduces reliance on air conditioning, saving energy while keeping your home cool and comfortable. A tight seal against moisture and drafts. With Redmond's frequent rain, moisture infiltration is a common concern. High-quality bow windows feature advanced weather stripping and airtight seals that keep rain, wind, and damp air out. Preventing moisture intrusion not only improves comfort but also protects your home's structure from potential water damage. By blocking drafts and leaks, bow windows also reduce strain on your HVAC system, helping it operate more efficiently and extending its lifespan. Long-term energy savings and home value. Energy-efficient upgrades like bow windows offer more than immediate comfort, they also deliver long-term financial benefits. Lower utility bills add up year after year, while eco-conscious buyers are increasingly attracted to homes with energy-saving features. In Redmond's competitive housing market, bow windows can set your property apart. They combine striking architectural appeal with measurable efficiency advantages, making them a smart investment for both your family and your future resale value. Creating a comfortable, eco-friendly home. Sustainability matters more than ever, and bow windows help you do your part for the environment. By reducing energy consumption, you're lowering your home's carbon footprint while still enjoying a stylish upgrade. It's a win-win solution. Better comfort for your household and a greener choice for the planet. Conclusion. A smart choice for Redmond homes. Bow windows aren't just about enhancing your home's appearance, they're a practical solution for improving comfort and energy efficiency in Redmond's climate. From better insulation in the winter to controlled natural light in the summer, these windows are designed to work with the region's unique weather patterns. By investing in bow window installation, Redmond homeowners can enjoy brighter, cozier spaces, lower utility bills, and increased property value. It's an upgrade that pays dividends in comfort, efficiency, and style for years to come.